Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark theme in Signal app on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your Signal app. So here is my Signal app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have a dark theme enabled. So let's enable that. So for that you have to tap on your profile picture icon at the top left. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this appearance. And here we have this theme. You can see I have this system theme currently selected. So you have to tap on this theme. Let me tap on this. And I have this theme, this screen opened. And on this screen, you can see here we have three options: system, light, and dark. So you have to select this third option, that is dark. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this. You can see it's now selected and we have this dark theme enabled. So after that, you can go back. You can see if I come to this theme, this option, you can see we have this dark theme selected. So just go back again and just tap on this done link over here. So that's it. In this way you can easily enable dark theme in Signal app on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.